Hello, 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 everybody. Someday. Sorry, the phone just started ringing. Let me answer that. I'll be right back. Remember time to show Jamie, let me help you. We are actually closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. No problem. Have a great night. Bye-bye. All right. Sorry about that, everybody. I am back. It is Tuesday. It is Tuesday, August 20, what is today? August 25th, I believe. Hope everybody's having a great week. And we are closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so I apologize about that, but we are not open this evening and we are not open on Wednesday. We will be back open again on Thursday for jazz, 6:30 jazz in our garden. Hopefully, weather permitting, we will be able to have jazz. John Simon and crew will be there. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. If you want to just drop me a comment, that'd be awesome too. I love to hear from you. Give me a thumbs up so that I know that you are here. I have yet to get the notification that I'm live, so hopefully I am live. Hopefully people can hear me. I am here at Aroma Thyme Bar. I'm behind the bar. If you can see all the cool spirits and things back there. A lot of you have been here before. Thank you for all of your support. We totally appreciate it. Marcus and I are really thrilled that we're still here after 18 years. The last 2 years have been tough. Things are always changing from day to day. We never know what tomorrow is going to bring, but we're still here and we're bringing you good food. We haven't changed our quality. We are keeping it the same quality and bringing you what we love, what we do feed our children. They're not children anymore. They're young adults, or they're adults, 19 and 21. And a lot of times you can see Courtney here behind the bar making your drinks for you. Justin will be leaving to go back to college on Thursday. So he'll be back up in Canisius on Thursday. And hopefully we'll get to watch some baseball this fall. Maybe there'll be some fall ball games. And then of course in the spring, hopefully he'll be on the mound and there will be no problems with playing baseball. So let's see, I see some people joining, but I don't see anybody here. So hopefully you can hear me, hopefully you see me. And I apologize, I'm not sure why you're not seeing me. There we go. Hello, Giovanna. How are you? Hope all is well. I see some people watching here now, so cool. Awesome, welcome to my cocktail time with Jamie. Today I'm gonna be making something called Sprigley Smash. I found it on the Pure Spirits website. If you have been watching me for the last year and a half, I love Zamaro. Zamaro is a perfectly balanced Amaro infused with vibrant red and natural cochineal. It is botanical. It's great served by itself. It's great to make a Negroni or I use it for a spritz. It's my Campari substitute, so I absolutely love this product. I'm going to be using Pueblo Vieja tequila, agave, and some lemons, and I got some mint from my garden, so I'm going to add a little bit of agave. I'm going to muddle. Probably can't see me, but I'm muddling the lemons and mint and agave together in the bottom of the glass. So, all right, I'm gonna add 2 ounces of tequila, and I'm gonna mix that up. You know, agave doesn't mix if it's cold, so I like to mix it when it is when you put it with the alcohol, and then I add the rocks to it after, the ice to it after. I'm gonna add about 3/4 of an ounce of Zamaro. And I'm gonna mix that on up, and I'm going to add ice to it. So I'll get some rocks here from my ice well. And there you have it. This is the Sprigley Smash. Thanks everybody for watching. Such a muddler. Thanks, Mike. I appreciate that. It's good to see you before. I passed you when I was on my walk before. Let's see. Hello, Laura. I see some people joining, but I still haven't gotten the notification. So not sure what's going on today. I apologize. Hopefully some people will be watching me on the replay. So mix that on up there. Give this a taste. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh, that is really nice, refreshing. I love Zamaro. Zamaro has that bitter flavor, that Amaro flavor. It's so awesome. It makes such a good drink. Really good. So we are closed. It is Tuesday and Wednesday. We are closed tonight. We'll be reopened on Thursday. We have a wine dinner on Monday night. It will be our last wine dinner before Labor Day, so the last of our summer. And then we'll be the week after Labor Day. We'll have another wine dinner. 4 wines in a dish for $29. Can't beat it. Awesome deal. Outside in our garden, weather permitting. I think this year we only had to move the wine dinner or beer dinner inside for like 15 minutes, and then it cleared up and we were able to go outside. So stay tuned for our beer dinner that we'll be doing. I think we're skipping September, but we'll be back in October. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Thanks for joining my drink of the day. And that is it. I will have this drink in our email tomorrow, so you can have the recipe. I send them out once a week. Every Wednesday is Jamie's cocktail in an email, so hopefully you get that. If not, go on our website, sign up for our emails. We are doing awesome, cool things here at Aroma Thyme. We thank you for your support. We thank you for just the wonderful guests that we have that come to the restaurant and support us. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I appreciate it. And I will catch everybody soon. Maybe I'll be on tomorrow. I'm thinking maybe, not sure. Justin leaves on Thursday, so we'll be going out to dinner tomorrow night. And that's it. Hope everybody has an awesome night, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.